nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone. Oh, I look real crazy. I decided to film this look, just one side of this look, because obviously I did the other side. This is one of my first anti-Valentine's Day looks. And yes, I realize there's red in there, and you would think anti-Valentine's Day red, but this is not going to be a red cute look. It's going to be a very dramatic, obviously, look. So, enough talking, let's get started. And this is the finished look. I actually like it. I do look, this is real dramatic though, like, I like it though. Again, black is growing on me more and more, so I'm trying to find more ways to use my black shadows, because those are the ones I usually never touch for me. Like when I do my friend's makeup, I use black on them. Don't do it on me, and I'm starting to, and I like it. It's very dramatic, and I have to go to work like this, and my students are going to be confused because it's a lot of black. But anyway, I like it. If you want to see more Valentine's Day look, an anti-Valentine's Day look, etc., etc., just let me know, and you know, I can do one. That's it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.